Hello guys, welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle in the additional of the weekend edition, the Saturday, July the 1st, 2023. It's today actually Sunday, and I've already solved three puzzles, the 3 stars, the 4-star Sudoku, and the binary. So it's time now for the Tectonic with 4 stars. Yes, is this really 4 stars? We don't know. We will see if this is really 4 stars. Let me zoom this. Yeah, this will be number 6691. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 16. Should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one is 16. But it's indicated with 4 stars. And for a 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit, 30 minutes or more. Alright? So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. I see here only one single box. Single box always a 1. Next question, do we have here in this puzzle dual boxes? I see here only 2 dual boxes. Contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Here also I need more information, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Next question, do we have here in this puzzle triple boxes? I see here only one triple box. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there, and I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. So 1 box left in this triple box for number 2. And when you see a triple box, remember people, the box next to the middle box, the inside box, yeah, it's always 4 or a 5. This one, yes, 4 or a 5. All right. Next question, do we have here in this puzzle quadra boxes? Let me check. No quadra boxes. Well, then my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Yeah, need to recognize. For example, this shape, let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. All right, do we have more of these kind of shapes here, upside down? So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 4 or a 5 here. Okay. The next shape, how about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 or a 2. Well, can it be a 1? Because we already have a 1 here. So this box should be a 2. Is connected with that box, should be also 2. A 1 box left in this dual box for number 1. Okay. So this box cannot... This box is the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? That's the question. Nope. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have only 2 shapes. Yeah, 2 shapes. 2 figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum of 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 2 shapes that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 4 goes there. These two boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be there, so 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 1. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. I've marked this box with 4 or a 5. We have a 4 now, so this box can be 4 anymore. This box should be a 5. Is connected with that box. Should be also a 5. Alright, these two boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. These two boxes can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Then. These two boxes can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be a 3. That box can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this cross area should be there. These 2 boxes can be 3. Those 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape should be here. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for number 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. That means this box, we have a double 2 here and a double 5 there. That means that this box cannot be 2 or a 5. The 2 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 2 goes there, so 1 digit left in this area for number 4. 2 and a 5, we have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 2 goes there. Alright, I think this box should be a 5 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this cross area should be here. So 2 numbers left in this cross area for numbers 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. Alright. This box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, I cannot place the 2 there. We have a double 2 here. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So it's not a solution to place the 2 there. The 2 is supposed to be here. Alright, so 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4, 1 and 4. Well, we have a double 4 there. So it's not a solution to place the 4 here. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 4 is supposed to be here and the 1 goes there. Now we have a 4 there. So this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 2. Alright. This box can be a 5. Those 2 boxes can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be here. This box can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Yeah. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. These two boxes can be a 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. Well, that means that this box can be a 3, that box can be a 3, and this box can also not be a 3. We have a double 3 there. So the 3 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 3 here. That means that this box can be 3 anymore. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So it's not a solution to place the 3 there. The 3 is supposed to be here. Alright. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 5 can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Interesting. Yeah. 1. Well, this box can be a 4. We have a double 4 there. And this box can be a 4. We have a Yes, these two boxes surround the 4 can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this cross area should be there. And I've eliminated the 2. So the 2 goes here. And I've eliminated the 3. So the 3 goes here. Alright. 2 numbers left for the numbers 4 and the 5. We have a 4 here. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 5 goes there. Then I think this box should be a 5 because give me 1, give me 2, give me 3, give me 4. Yes, definitely 5. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 5. We have a 5 here, so this box can't be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 4 and the 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Alright, these are 3 boxes. Surround the 2 can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 1. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Alright, these 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 3. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left for the numbers 4 and the 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Alright. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 1. We have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. This box can be a 4. So the 4 goes together with the 5 as a pair. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. We have a 4 here, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 5 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Well. 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No. 2 stars? No. Let me give this 1 star. I'm faster than 15 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time. Maybe 0 stars. Yeah. Anyway, I like this one. I hope you also too. So have a nice and great and fantastic Sunday. We'll meet again in the evening, yeah, with the Samurai Sudoku. Yeah, this one is a hard one. I'm trying to solve the Samurai Sudoku within an hour. Well, I hope this time will accomplish. Anyway, see you then. Bye bye for now.